Hey everybody, it's that time again. I really want to start working on this top cover, but it's such a pain to balance it upside down on that. If only there was some kind of fixture I could use to hold it. Now, I know that our friends at Churchill Tools are starting to remanufacture the proper tool to do it, which pivots on there and has a leg and all turns over backwards, and so I could stand in here and work on it, stand in between the wheel there and work on the top cover, but that's a way off and I need something now. I wonder what I could do. Right, suppose I better drill some holes in it now. There we go. Holes. Well, that's better. Bolts on to where the seat attaches. There is 4 holes in there, so you can bolt it on before you take the top cover off and lift it off with that. There's 4 holes in the side there, so if you're short you can put it on an engine stand, or if like me you want a bad back, it doesn't roll around on the bench. You can clamp it down on the flanges on the end. You can bolt it down if you want to, but the idea is that it makes the whole thing easier to work on. It doesn't flop around all over the place because of the draft control spring. Just a thought anyway, but we'll see how it goes. There you go. All ready for the last part of my hydraulic horrors video.